Algebra Triumphs Chapter 2.1 Vocabulary. Here are your words for today. Decimal, decimal point, place value, and the suffix ths or th, repeating decimal, terminating decimal, and non-terminating decimal. Decimal, a number that can represent whole numbers and fractions. When we're talking money, we often see this as cents. If I had $5.31, my decimal values are that 31 cents or 31/100ths. A decimal point is the point separating the ones place value and the tenths place value in a number. This 3 is in the tenths place. It's in the dimes spot. This 5 is in the ones place value. The decimal point is the point separating the ones, the 5, and the tenths, the 3. In money, it separates the whole dollars from the cents. Place value is the value given to a digit by its position in a number. We use a place value chart or words ending in ths to help tell if it's a decimal. Looking at the example above, we have 5 ones. There's 5 in the ones place. We have 3 tenths. We have a 3 in the tenths place. We have 1/100ths. That's a 1 in the hundredths place. The word and is how you say a number is now going to have decimals. In reading the number 3 and 700ths, we'd have 3.07. That and means point. When we say money, we often say it correctly. $5.31. And means decimal. Or the ending ths. It's a suffix. The ending of a decimal place value. We have tens like 30. We have tenths like 3 dimes. 3/10. Repeating decimal. Numbers with a decimal part that repeats forever. We would read the number 0.833 with a line over the 3's as 0.833 bar. That bar means those 3's are going to repeat forever. You could have the number 0.12 with a bar over 1, 2. That means you're going to have 12 over and over and over and over in your number. And it's going to go on forever. Terminating decimal. Numbers with no decimal or no decimal part that ends. There's no ... or there's no bar over it. If I just have the number 2.0068, there's no ... there's no bar over it, it stops. The decimal terminated or stops. A non-terminating decimal are numbers with a decimal part that repeats forever, like the 0.833 bar, meaning those 3's keep going, or it doesn't repeat, but it also doesn't end. The number 3.141592 ... The ... says it keeps going. There's no pattern to it, so we have no idea what's coming next. Non-terminating decimals often are going to be represented by some sort of symbol. Pi is non-terminating. Non-terminating are irrational. We cannot turn them into a fraction.